The night is black, and the forest has no end. A million people thread it in a million ways. We have truths to keep in the darkness, but where or with whom, of that we are unaware. But we have this faith that our lifetime's bliss will appear any minute with a smile upon its lips. Sex, touches, sounds, snatches of songs, precious, us, gives us delightful shocks. Then, peradventure, there's a flash of lightning, whomever I see that arrested I fall in love with. I call that person and cry, this life is blessed. For your sake, such miles I traversed, all the others who came close and moved off in the darkness. Rabindranath Tagore on the nature of love by VoiceOver Zeina Soliman.